Puppies. Where the hell's all my chickens at? That looks like a giant indica gigantica. Where'd you come from? God dang, where the heck did all y'all come from? Look at this fluffy son of a bizzle. Oh, you so pretty. You are beautiful, girlfriend. You are just stunning. Your beauty is stunning. We are some black bones. We turn these fans on for these dogs. Look at you, Mohawker. Y'all got that fan just a turning, huh? It's a blowing there, blowing. Heat. That's what it's blowing heat. Blowing that heat, boy. Watch your nose. Take your nose right off, big dog. Take off. I planted this tree over here. I don't know where it ever popped up, but it's supposed to feed the crap load of chickens. I don't know if it ever took off. It was a root. I thought I put it more over here. It would be right in here somewhere. If it's growing, we'll find out. You making them babies? That's the one that's breeding with the... This guy right there is the one breeding with the Sherman. That quail. Little bit. Leave my babies alone. I know y'all got plenty of damn food up in here. Juju, no. Come on. Let's go, Ju. Now, I'm fixing to start working on this so I can finish this out. Little bit. We got a lot of it done. We just need to finish it. See my reap? Little bit. Leave my babies alone. Come on, little bit. Spider webs. Juju, no! Juju! Little bit! Little bit. Little bit. Little bit. Up, buddy. Juju, stop. Come on, little bit. Come on, little Bezo. Let's go in the house. Come on. This is I am Samani with some weird. They bred two different breeds of I am Samani together, and they got this two black, solid blacks, and then this happened for some reason. Come on, Juju. Junior, now. Come on. Now, Juju. Juju, Billy. God bless y'all, and thank y'all so much for liking and subscribing. It means a lot. We gotta try to get Haven's Homestead on the map, big dog. We're trying to get it on the map. Come on, guys. Beep, 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 drop that, beep, 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 dropping them doo-doos.